Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Shannon, and today we're diving into a topic that I know many of you have been waiting for: how to lose weight without the hassle of counting every single calorie. So if you're tired of keeping track of numbers and looking for a more intuitive way to manage your weight, keep watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy content like this. Let's get started. First things first, losing weight effectively starts with understanding your body's natural hunger and fullness signals. It's about eating intuitively, listening to your body and eating when you're hungry and stopping when you're full. Using a hunger scale can help. Think of a 1 as being extremely hungry and 10 as being uncomfortably full. Aim to start eating at about a 3, hungry but not ravenous, and stop at around a 7, satisfied but not stuffed. Choosing the right foods. The types of food you eat also play a crucial role. It's not just about how much you eat, but what you eat. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. These not only keep you fuller longer, but also provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function optimally. Incorporating a mix of protein, fats, and carbohydrates at each meal can keep your energy levels stable and your hunger in check. Weight loss isn't just about food. It's also about your overall lifestyle. Regular physical activity, even if it's just a daily walk, can significantly boost your weight loss efforts. Also, getting enough sleep and managing stress are key components that often get overlooked. These factors can affect your hormones, which in turn influence your appetite and weight. Staying motivated without the immediate feedback of calorie counting can be challenging, but it's definitely doable with the right mindset. Keep a journal, not for calories, but to note how you feel physically and emotionally. This can help you understand your eating habits better and make lasting changes. To sum it up, losing weight without counting calories involves understanding your hunger cues, choosing nutritious foods, adjusting your lifestyle, and staying motivated through mindful practices. And remember, this is a journey about finding what works for you individually. Before we wrap up, I want to talk about something that could give you an extra edge in your weight loss journey: BioLean. BioLean is designed to support weight loss by boosting metabolism and increasing energy levels naturally. If you're interested in trying it out, check out the link in the description below for more details. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.